A very good morning to all of you. So, we are doing determiners and this we are doing articles. Okay, so what are articles actually? So, articles is what in the previous classes also you have done it, a and the. So, where they are used, a and an, these are used before the countable nouns, means which are countable, जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं. So that is used in that case. Okay, so a and, so a and where we are using, as you know, so a and for, and where we having the vowel a, e, I, o, u, means we having the vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Where these this first letter we will see, so we have to put an. Okay, but not in the all the cases. So we will see where we will use a, e, I, o, u, and there we use an, but not in each and every case. So there are some exceptional cases also, we are not we using this an. Okay, so we have done it in the this. So where we are doing, like for example I will tell you. So this is our, look, this one eye, v means here is what, this is a vowel. Okay, but still we are not using an, we are using a one-eyed man, this a European. So you, the sound is u, not e, so that's why it's a European. Okay, like this a uniform, this. So here again the sound is u, so that's why here we are putting a before this. We having the vowel, but the sound is not of vowel, that's why we are not using an here. Okay, so in that case also, look this again, we having the h here, h, h is not here, that is not sounded. Okay, that is not sounded, we are sounding what, honest, 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 like this, o. So h is not, we are not sound giving the sound of, only honest. So that's why o is your vowel, so that's why we using an honest person. Okay, again look this ma, a means a here sounds, so that's why an. Again honorable, h is not here sounded honorable, that's why and we are using. Okay, some cases like as dm, so a here a means, that's why an SDM. Okay, so for this, like take more example, MLA, a here sound a, so that's why an MLA. Okay, so in this way you have to see the sound. Okay, you have to see the sound, then you have to put a n. Okay, where you seeing that sound is of vowel, and then you put an, but it's not compulsory, means there we see this is our not a vowel, this we have consonant, but that sounds a, that's why we put an here. Okay, so these are examples. Now we have also know about the, where we are using the, means the is very used, so that is means we are knowing about that, we make it particular that, so the train. Okay, in this, so like this we will do. Okay, and look at the, so you have also seen some paragraph also earlier. First we use a camera. Okay, like a camera, a watch. So first we use a or an, first in the first means when we are starting a paragraph we using a or an, but in next line, but the next line we use the, means that become the particular, we are knowing about that. So the watch is beautiful but the camera does not click, and next the watch is given by my father, means you will be using the again and again, but not you will use a and will be used only once. Okay, that is the starting of your a line or paragraph, anything. Okay, so in this, okay, or we use the when it is clear from the situation which pupils or things we mean, like that, may I use the telephone. Okay, may I use the telephone, the principal is talking, taking a round of the school here. Okay, so in this way, so we having next is a superlative degree. Superlative degree is what, that is a not like that, means it is super, उसके जैसा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता, मीन्स सबसे श्रेष्ठ. In that case, superlative degree we use the, means the brightest, the most beautiful girl of this school, like this. Okay, so in that case superlative degree we used. Okay, or you can say the most intelligent student of this class is Vikas, like that. Means we where the superlative degree we use the. Okay, okay, and when we use with a common noun. Okay, we common noun is there when that noun represent a whole class means like example, I am just talking about the girls means I am talking about not a particular girl, I am not talking about a girl, I am talking about all that caste, means सभी लड़कियों के बारे में, means I will say the girls are beautiful. Okay, the girl is beautiful, means the means here what, the means here what, that the girl means here we are talking about all caste, means all सभी लड़कियों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so in this way, so like the donkey is the beast of burden, means all donkeys, not one. So that's why when we are talking about whole class, in that case also we use the. Okay, the cow feeds on grass. Okay, like this. Okay, when we are talking about whole class, the boys are naughty, boys is naughty, means the boy means we are talking about ऑल बॉयज, सभी लड़कों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि लड़के ज़्यादा क्या होते हैं, शरारती होते हैं इन दैट केस. और फिर देन वी आर यूजिंग दिस दैट आर यूनिक, मीन्स दैट यूनिक मीनिंग उनकी जैसा कोई नहीं है, मीन्स लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्थ, मून, स्टार, स्काई, दीज ऑल आर, सो दीज आर ओनली वन, मीन्स उनके जैसा कोई नहीं है. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो वी यूज़ the. So the equator, the earth, the sun. Okay, the moon shines in the sky. Okay, like this. So and in this also we have done, for example, rivers, the Brahmaputra. Okay, so we have all know seas, oceans, like that we use the Antarctica, Arabian, where example mount ranges we are talking, in that case also the Ravelis, Vindhyas, the we use. holy books means हमारे जो ग्रंथ हैं, in that case also we use the Gita, the Quran. Okay, before the newspaper, the Indian Express, Tribune, like this. Okay, or historical building you can say the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Okay, so these are our historical buildings. In that case we also use the. Okay, countries. Okay, the countries, if the name is given the United States of America. Okay, like that, or the United Kingdom. The word states and the kingdoms are common here. Or like the whole families, like we say when we are talking about that families, the Gandhians, the Khans, the Kapoor, means in this way when we are using the. Okay, so in this way. So and we are using articles with the proper nouns, articles with the proper noun here. As a rule, proper noun does not need an articles. Okay, so in that case, now we are not using this, we are not using any articles here. Look at this. This was Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Mumbai, we are not using the. Okay, these are the proper noun, does not need an articles. Okay, so we need a Gandhi to solve our problem. Here a Gandhi, in the first sentence, a Gandhi means a man or a vice or as a great as Gandhi. We are not talking about the Gandhi, we are talking about like him, means a man as wise as a Gandhi. Okay, for now we have read about a and the. So some cases are there where we are not using the articles. So in which cases we are not using? Look this, like man is mortal. Mortal means नश्वर, means जो मर जाएगा, नश्वर है. ठीक है. सो इन दैट केस वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ ए मैन इन द जर्नल केस. सामान्य तौर पे हम इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द, it will be man is mortal. Okay, next, with a noun that names materials, the things which are made from the materials like paper, wood, silver, gold, diamond. In that case we are not using the. Okay, we are not using any articles. For take example, paper has become very expensive. She made a heavy investment in gold. I have a diamond ring. Huh? In this case, but when these are particularized, we use the. When we are particularized them, means the paper used in this book, the paper used in this book means particularly, so of a superior quality. In that case we will use the. वैसे हम पेपर मटेरियल्स जो भी हमारे हैं उनके आगे we are not using articles. Okay, with the plural nouns when they denote a class. So when they are denoting a class, in the previous the we use the donkey is a very working animal. Okay, but here we are not, this is our plural. So plurals nouns when they denote a class, they are denoting a class means, but we are not using here what? Omission of articles. Okay, with names of meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, the omission of the articles here. We are not using any article a and the. Okay, and before the disease like malaria, typhoid or any type of fever we are talking, but in the case of measles and mumps, the is used in that case. But in the malaria or others type of disease we are not using the here. Okay, no articles will be used. Okay, with the language and the branches of the knowledge, like here English, Hindi, history, maths. In that case we are not using language. Here look at this, what? English is the language of the English, because we are here. English is what? Language. Hindi is language, math is language. There will be omission of articles. But the English means the English is means here pupil English. So that's why we use the English. This is not a subject here beta, this is not subject. So we are talking, this is the English pupil. Okay, so Japanese is a difficult language. Japanese is what? Here this is our language. So that's why omission of article is there. ठीक है. And next our with the nouns where we are not using before days, months, seasons. Like this, we are not using here. Sunday is a holiday. Our school is closed for summer vacation in June. Spring is a season of a great enjoying, okay, rejoicing. So this is how we are not using the uh, where emotion of this, okay. So like that. So in this way we have completed our articles a and the, okay. So if you make the have a practice of this, you can easily can solve all your problems. Thank you for this topic, okay.